How to create packages. From the home page, select Management and Package Management, where we can build packages ready to be added into any job. First, select New and type in the description of your package, in this case a sound system. On the top of the screen, select New, and here we're going to add in a new heading of sound. Next, we're going to add in some listed items from our stock. We can view our list, adding in some amplifiers, speakers, and digital mixers in this case, as well as virtual items such as a radio mic kit, pressing save to bring up the autopull window of all the autopull items that will also be added into this package, amending them where required. Next, we can click on New and add in some inline comments to split up the package. I'm going to create a mics comment, and we can drag and drop all the items around the list, and we'll also create a new comment for cables. We haven't added in these cables yet, so I'm going to click on New, add listed items, filter by category, and add in the cables required for this package. Double click on an item to amend the total price or discount for that particular item. View the package's total discount, as well as the weight and replacement cost of the package in the middle of the screen, and click on the quota net total to amend the total for the whole package. We can also decide whether or not to include sales and labour items in this discount. Now coming to a job, on the supplying list we can click on New, insert package and choose the package required. The package will then be added into the job in the exact layout designed.